Today in this video I show you how to add long bio on Instagram. For this you have to open Instagram app. Now open profile section. Click on edit profile. Now for adding long bio, you have to switch your account into professional account. Click on switch to professional account. Click on continue. Select the option you want and click on done. Now select business. Click on next. Now if you want, you can type your phone number or business details and click on next. Now click on this cross icon and then click on edit profile. Click on bio and open this website on your browser. I will give you the link of this website in description. Now select the long bio you want and copy like this. Now paste long bio on Insta like this and click on this checkmark icon. Now click on contact options and select display contact info. Click on business address and open the website from description like this. Copy the bio you want and paste here. Click on checkmark icon. Now you can see if I go back, my long bio is showing here. So this is how you can add long bio on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.